We're Andy and Trey from Two Gay Expats, and this is your complete gay nude beach guide to Praia João de Arens. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Welcome to Portugal's Algarve coast, famous for its stunning cliffs, hidden caves, and some of the best beaches in the world.
And tucked into this gorgeous coastline are not one, but two incredible gay nude beaches, Submarino and João de Arens. Today, we're focused on the latter, João de Arens, which many locals say is the crown jewel.
Now, before we get started, do us a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gay travel adventures. We're on the way to 50,000 subscribers, and it's free for you and means the world to us.
Now let's dive in, literally.
Praia João de Arens is all about dramatic cliffs, soft sand, and some of the most jaw-dropping caves we've ever seen. It's a mix of beach time, exploration, and for the gay crowd, a bit of spicy fun.
Compared to Submarino, João de Arens is bigger, sandier, and west-facing, so it keeps that glorious sunlight all the way till sunset. That's why a lot of guys move here in the late afternoon after Submarino falls into shade.
Getting here is part of the adventure. Just like Submarino, you'll park along the dirt road before the horse stables.
From here, you've got two options. If you want the scenic coastal trail, head right just before the stables and follow the path along the cliffs. It's about 30 to 45 minutes with epic viewpoints, but wear good shoes and bring a backpack. It's not flip-flop friendly.
For the faster route, go straight ahead from the parking area past the horses. When you reach the lone house, loop left toward the graffiti-covered abandoned building. Just beyond, you'll find the steep trail down to the main João de Arens beach. This option only takes about 15 minutes.
Once you're down, the first beach you'll hit is mixed, straight and gay, nudist and not. To find the gay section, look for the cave on the left side at low tide. Crawl through, and you'll discover the gay nudist crowd.
And wow, it's worth it. Sun-drenched sand, a friendly vibe, and a very social crowd. The gay beach here is much busier than Submarino, especially late in the afternoon.
And if you're feeling adventurous, keep exploring left along the rocks. You'll find hidden caves, coves, and secluded nooks that make this one of the most beautiful areas for, well, you can use your imagination.
Timing is everything here. Summer months, June through August, bring the biggest crowds and the most energy.
But if you want the sweet spot, visit in late April or May, September, or early October. The weather's warm, the sea is swimmable, and the crowds thin out. Perfect for beach hopping between Submarino and João de Arens.
And no matter when you go, check the tide charts first. Low tide is essential for accessing the gay section of João de Arens, and it makes crawling through the caves much easier and safer.
Pro tip, bring everything you need. There are 0 services here. Pack water, snacks, sunscreen, and sandals or water shoes for scrambling over the rocks.
Shade is limited until later in the day, so bring an umbrella if you're planning a full beach day. By around 5 p.m., the sun disappears at Submarino, but João de Arens stays sunny until it dips behind the horizon.
And for the spicier side of João de Arens, including what really happens behind those rocks, you'll have to head over to our Patreon. We'll link it down in the description.
For where to stay, we can't recommend Casa Risa enough. It's a men-only, nudist-friendly gay hotel about 20 minutes from the beach by car.
Casa Risa has a tropical pool area, a bar, hot tub, and even weekly boat trips that visit João de Arens for sunset. It's super social too. Most guests meet over the included breakfast and then head to the gay beaches together.
And if you're more of a luxury traveler, Vila Joya is one of the Algarve's top 5-star hotels. We enjoyed lunch at their casual beach shack, Vila Joya Sea, and the views are unforgettable.
So which beach is better, Submarino or João de Arens? Honestly, we can't pick.
The real answer, do both. Start at Submarino for daytime sunshine, then move over to João de Arens for a late afternoon and sunset finale. That way you can get the best of both worlds.
Either way, these two are hands down among the best gay nude beaches in Southern Europe.
Before we wrap up, here are a few quick travel tips. Fly into Faro Airport, airport code FAO. It's about an hour's drive to Casa Risa or these beaches. Renting a car is highly recommended.
And bring some cash. While Lisbon and Porto are nearly cashless now, down here in the Algarve, you'll find plenty of cash-only spots, especially for parking, beach bars, and even some restaurants.
And one last travel essential. Don't skip travel insurance. We use Safety Wing, which covers everything from lost luggage to unexpected medical expenses abroad. Whether you're here for a week or traveling full time, it's a must have. Links down in the description.
Well, that's a wrap on our gay nude beach tour of Praia João de Arens. What did you guys think? Will you be adding this to your gay travel list? Let us know down in the comments.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
For more gay travel inspiration, head over to our website at 2gayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at 2gayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Até logo!